Taylor, who's this from?
Papa.
Pappy?
It's Pappy and Bunny.
And Bunny. Yeah. I'll open it real quick. Okay. Oh, looks like it's scrap. Okay. Does it have a sticker on it? Say who it's to? It says, what's that say?
Kate,
From
Bunny.
and Pappy. Okay, now open this one. Go ahead.
I think it's coffee.
Nope.
You don't think they got you coffee?
Ooh, a coffee machine.
A coffee maker?
Nope.
We don't need anything else. There should be pens, not the wall.
Is the Starbucks coffee maker? Mom will take that off your hands.
It's this.
What is it?
I don't know. A remote control car.
A remote control car.
It's called the Thunder Tumbler. Here, show them. Say thank you. Camera.
Thank you.
Look right there at the camera.
Look at the camera. Look at the phone.
Alright.
Say thank you, Pappy.
Thank you, Pappy.
This one says, hold on. It doesn't say to who. Here, I'll take the bow off. You take the lid off. Here.
Hey, a DVD.
Here, I'll take the lid off. See what's in there?
Uh,
Oh, that's yours.
mine?
Yeah, what do you think? What is it? Show them. You think that's for you?
Lola's. Is this Lola's and I get an elephant?
Why don't you bring it to Lola? Oh, Lola, look.
It looks like a cute
It looks
little
like
elephant.
you.
Yeah.
Looks like a cute little elephant. Looks like a cute, guys, this looks like a cute little elephant.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Here,
Thank you
Lola.
very much.
Say
It's a cute elephant.
thank you.
It's a
Say
cute
thank you
elephant
to my
too.
dog.
It's